Last June, one of my family friends who was a school teacher called me. She was in tears. She was panicking. She said she had just lost her job. It was disheartening, but she was not alone. Over 6 million jobs were lost between March and August of 2020 during the lockdown here in India. Engineers, physicians, teachers, and more. 6 million jobs. For some people, it got worse with time. In this video, I'm going to teach you something that could help you overcome this adverse situation. It will not only help you overcome this adverse situation, it could actually help you thrive during the pandemic. Let's see what it is about. So I'm going to talk about how to create and sell your online course. So let's understand the concepts before we get into the nitty-gritty details. Who is going to benefit from this? Who is this actually for? Now, each one of us has some kind of skill. Maybe we are passionate about something. Maybe we are really skilled at something. Like my teacher friend. She's brilliant at mathematics and teaching mathematics. She's got a skill. Is there a market for that? You bet there is. What exactly are we talking about? We are talking about creating online courses, videos like these that can share information to the right people. We call that target audience, to the right market. And they could benefit from your knowledge. So whether you're an air conditioning specialist, an engineer who focuses on plumbing and electricity, you could be a teacher teaching mathematics, you have skills that could help people, which means you are capable of creating online courses that could reach a target market. People could benefit from you. Why is this important? Well, like I already told you, we are all in an adverse situation. The economy is on the downward trend. But guess what? Unlike the past, this digital revolution is helping people learn skills hands-on. If you think about school and college and all that, it was about memorization and information recall. Now it's not like that. With online courses, people want to learn how to do something hands-on, practically, so that they can implement their learning and make money from that, get a job using that skill. So whatever you teach you with the power of the internet, the online courses, this can have a huge impact on other people's lives and a positive impact overall on the world at large. That's what you're capable of doing as an online course creator, online content creator. Let's talk about this process. When you think about how to create and sell your online courses, obviously there are two parts to this. The first part is the part of creation, the creation process. And believe me, it's not as difficult or complicated as you might imagine. It's very easy. There are a few very specific steps. And if you follow this step by step, chances are you'll be able to create some world-class content, world-class courses that your target market would love to learn from you. Number one, clarity in terms of what you want to teach. This is called the niche. What's niche? Well, what is that one topic that you absolutely love, that you're passionate about, or you're skilled at? You need to focus on that one thing. Don't go too broad. The more specific you are, the better your chances of reaching the right kind of people that could benefit from your knowledge. Number two, once you're clear about what the niche is, it could be mathematics in this case, you would make an online course about mathematics. It could be algebra, geometry, trigonometry, you name it. That's what it needs to be about. And then once you're clear about the niche, the step number two is about coming up with the curriculum, the course curriculum. Unlike in traditional education, where it is about finishing a certain amount of portions, here it's not about that. It's about making the concepts simpler, easily understandable. It's about simplification of knowledge. And if you could do that effectively, people would love to buy your courses. And your course could sell like hotcakes. I mean it. Now, once you're clear about the niche, once you've come up with your course curriculum, which could be your modules, different topics that you're going to cover, then you have to decide on which platforms would be good for you. So you might choose Udemy. You might choose Thinkific, Teachable. There are a plethora of platforms where you could upload that content and attract business. You could attract the right kind of audience for your business. Number 4, it's about recording and publishing. And you don't need to have hi-fi equipments like digital cameras or DSLRs. You don't need them. You have your phone. With just a phone, a very simple microphone, you can record your videos and upload it. The second part of this process is the marketing and selling process. And again, it's not as complicated as you might think. If you know how to send an email, if you know how to post something on Facebook and Instagram, you know what? You would be able to market and sell your own courses easily. The first thing is content marketing. You could create content. Maybe it could be a blog or like this video that I'm trying to do right now, where I'm sharing some concepts. You could do the same. You could share some concepts, get people excited about what you have to offer. And if that's the target market, if they like what you have to offer, chances are they will get in touch with you. Then you could do social media marketing. You could go to Facebook groups. You could run some paid advertisements and attract the right kind of people to your courses. Now, once you have these people showing interest in your product, you could get their name and email address and phone number, which is awesome, which means they are giving you the permission to communicate with them even after the initial introduction, which is great for you because now you can nurture this relationship. We call this leads, nurturing leads for your business. You're going to help them with even more information, answer their questions if they have any about your course, the duration, the price, etc. And then you would get them to a webinar. A webinar is like a live training. An hour, 2 hours, you decide, where you could share more information about what your course is about, how they could benefit, what is the pricing like, if there is any discounts, coupons, all of that information could be provided on that webinar. Webinar selling is one of the most powerful methods of selling in this digital world. That's the course marketing and selling aspect. So here's what I want you to do. I have one question for you right now. Do you already have a course online? If yes, go to the comment section and type already have a course. Now, if you don't, that's okay too. Just type want to create a course. Okay. So if you want to create a course, type in the comment section, I want to create the course. If you already have a course and if you want help with marketing and selling it, just type I already have a course in the comment below. And I'll give you more information that could help you. I want a question from your side. Tell me, what question do you have about the course creation process or the course marketing and selling process? What is that one question that you have? Please type it in the comment below. I would try my best to answer all your questions. All right. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you think somebody is going to benefit from this information, please share this video with them. If you want to know more about how to create content, create courses, how to market and sell your courses online, then subscribe to this channel because I've planned tons of videos that could help you take you from novice to an expert content creator, expert course creator, and expert course marketer and seller. Exciting times, I promise you. I'll see you next time. This is CM Manjunath signing off. Bye-bye.